Hey, welcome. This is a brief introduction video about certification in DNA sequence analysis, and it's a hands-on online certification program that is designed for beginners in bioinformatics. Especially, it has a student-friendly fee. It is a certificate. E-certificate will be provided, and someone who want to master in this in-demand bioinformatics skill that top labs and biotech companies are valuing should start from this program. You will be learning how to use DNA sequences for species identification. While learning so, you will be working on Chromas Pro, BioEdit, BLASTn, ClustalX, and molecular evolutionary genetic analysis software that is mega through all these programs and all through 5 days. No prior bioinformatics knowledge is actually required. This will definitely enhance your CV. And if UG and PG students are looking for a head start into bioinformatics research, or if you want to incorporate your research in the research project, bioinformatics tools, this is the right tool to start with. So what will you be learning is in 5 days time, you will at the end of fifth day, you will be able to understand the workflow in my DNA sequence analysis for species identification, how to interpret the chromatograms, DNA chromatograms, how to use BioEdit to compile the sequences and subject them to blast analysis where you will understand how to perform blast and how to interpret the similarity scores and how to carry out the multiple sequence alignments where using ClustalX and how to use these alignments for building phylogenetic tree and calculate genetic distance. Everything will be covered in this course. Basically, you will gain the confidence in applying these skills for academic research and publications. So it is completely hands-on, and the real data sets will be circulated through email, and you will be guided with the step-by-step, from the experienced trainers, and no prior bioinformatics is required, and all five tools you will be learning in 5 days time. And it is ideal for your project works, thesis work, and publications. A certificate will be provided. It's not a 5 day program. You will continue to be networked, with like-minded researchers. So what will happen in day one is you will be introduced to how to analyze a machine output file. When you send a sample to a company, this is the first file you will receive from the company. Okay, so you'll be using Chromas Light software for analyzing the DNA chromatograms, how to edit it and trim it. Using the edited trimmed chromatogram, how to use BioEdit to produce this consensus sequences. You will have both forward and reverse sequences, how to use BioEdit. And after creating one sequence, how to know the species name from the DNA sequence. That's where BLASTn analysis will come into handy. In day four, you will see after identifying the species name or functional genes, function based on the DNA sequence, you can extract the reference sequence and go for multiple sequence alignment, which is a first step in analyzing any DNA sequence for comparative studies. So you will be using ClustalX for that, and finally you will take the alignment file to the Mega software, where you will be constructing phylogram and pairwise distance data estimation. Seeing the previous day's output will be the next day's input. That's why this program has 5 day structure, and that's how you will be skilled. Okay, so it is ideal for our undergraduate and postgraduate students in life sciences, even PhD scholars. When I say life sciences, biochemistry, microbiology, genetics, biotechnology, molecular biology, bioinformatics, nursing, pharmacy, medicine, all kinds of biosciences courses can take this because anyone interested in molecular identification or finding the functional gene name or taxonomy, they will find it very much interesting. Even faculty members seeking to integrate these skills to upgrade their research should use this opportunity. So it is fully hands-on training session, and pre-recorded videos will be circulated every day, and e-certifications will be provided at the end of the day. Even it is not a 5 days relationship, it will extend beyond that during various, so for troubleshooting and other things. So it is student friendly. We have only 370 rupees, and you can register through scanning the QR through this form. Okay, so if you want to know who is this Biotechnology, Barcode Biotechnology, it is a MSME registered company. Most affordable sequence providers in India. You will know this. Many people are already knowing this. They are very academic friendly, and they give you a range of supports. Okay, you will learn more about this company during your internship program. So if you have any queries, you can mail to support at Barcode Biotechnology. Visit the website. This is the WhatsApp number to get instant replies. Okay, so make use of this opportunity. It is a once in a lifetime. I don't think you can avail this workshop with the same price in near future. So better make use of this opportunity. Scan the QR to know more about the schedule that I have shared right now, or to register. Thank you.